What is Flonase Sensimist used for? Flonase Sensimist is an allergy medicine that works directly in your nose to relieve a broad range of nasal allergy symptoms caused by pollen, mold, dust, and pet dander. Flonase Sensimist Allergy Relief Spray, non-drowsy allergy medicine, 60 sprays. Product details. 24-hour allergy medicine in a gentle mist. Flonase Sensimist Allergy Relief Spray provides all-day relief for even the worst seasonal, year-round, indoor and outdoor allergies, all in a gentle mist you'll barely feel. Unlike most allergy pills, Flonase Sensimist relieves your most severe allergy symptoms, including sneezing, itchy nose, runny nose and itchy, watery eyes, plus nasal congestion. Flonase Sensimist is a 24-hour allergy medicine that contains fluticasone furoate, delivered with a patented bottle specially designed for a unique scent-free and virtually drip-free allergy nasal mist. This allergy medication stops your body from overreacting to allergens all season long, outperforming a leading non-drowsy allergy pill. Flonase Sensimist provides our most advanced spray technology with an ultra-lightweight mist for 24-hour all-in-one allergy relief. This non-drowsy allergy medicine is formulated for adults and children 12 years of age and older. Before using this adult allergy relief medicine, blow your nose. Shake the bottle, prime it by spraying until a fine mist appears, then spray twice into each nostril 1 to 2 times daily as needed. Total nasal symptoms versus single ingredient 180 mg fexofenadine.